रेलगाड़ी रेलगाड़ी।
Hi, I'm Mani from Tamil Nadu.
Ditambara, Delhi.
Sunil from Uttar Pradesh.
Arjun from Bihar.
तो सहमत कश्मीर से।
Madhuri Agarwal और मैं यूपी से।
नजमल from आंध्र प्रदेश।
धरमपुर, मैंगलोर, सोलापुर, कुप्पल, डिंडिगल, मछलीपट्टम, उंगोल, कोरेगांव, मंदाबाद, सोतनूर, झुक, बीच वाले स्टेशन बोले रुक, धड़क,
स्वागत सबको। कोई छूटा तो नहीं? सबको ले आयो ना?
बीच वाले स्टेशन बोले रुक।
On the eve of 1st August 2013, 128 state trainers from 28 states, along with visitors from Mexico, Britain and USA, arrived at Siwan, Bihar to attend the 5-day ASAR 2013 National Training Workshop. The ASAR initiative began in 2005. Each year, it reaches about 575 rural districts in India and measures basic reading and arithmetic levels of more than 5 lakh children in the age group 5 to 16. Close to 30,000 people across the country volunteer to do ASAR each year, making it the largest independent, citizen-led survey in the country. It is also the only source of information about children's learning available in India. The ASAR rollout begins each year with the National Workshop. Like every year, the 9th ASAR National Workshop had a vibrant mix of state associates, master trainers, new participants, international guests and government officials. It was 5 days of rigorous training on survey methodology and sample tools, case studies, mock trainings, pilot field visits, role play, state plan meetings, all in the preparation for the months of field work that lie ahead.
I am very impressed with the attention to detail, with the participation of the national master trainers and the way that it is interactive, the dedication of the participants. It starts in the morning at 9 and it can go on till 9 or 10 o'clock at night. And there is role playing, there are questions, there are feedback, there are quizzes. So it is certainly one of the best trainings I have ever seen.
The workshop readies each state member for what they will be facing in the field. By learning from the experiences of others.
3 daughters, Madhuri, Ankita and
सरपंच साहब अपनी बातों को खत्म नहीं कर रहे थे एंड शाम बीच में मतलब ऐसे नहीं होता, हम किसी की बात को तोड़ नहीं सकते।
बस कोई सरकारी पत्र नहीं है, इस टाइप का नहीं है, तो शायद उसका मजाक बन सकता है।
By visiting a village and actually doing the survey.
आंगनवाड़ी मिलने के बाद ये रास्ता जो आता है यहाँ पे।
By meeting and interacting with village members and children of all ages, in school and out of school.
Very good.
By individual commitment and team effort.
एक या दो लोगों के सामने मुझे बोलने में बड़ी दिक्कत होती थी। आज मुझको अगर 150 या 200 लोगों आदमियों के सामने भी बोलने को कहा जाए तो मैं आज बेहिचक जाकर के वहाँ पे खड़ा हो सकता हूँ।
ऑल ओवर इंडिया से लोग आते हैं तो एक दूसरे से बात करने का मौका मिलता है, एक दूसरे के कल्चर को समझने का मौका मिलता है।
By making a difference to society.
इसके डेटा जो कलेक्ट करके हम इवॉल्व कर रहे हैं, वो डेटा के आधार पे हर स्टेट के गवर्नमेंट की कोई ना कोई प्लान हर साल इम्प्लीमेंट कर रहे हैं।
Yeah, I think to go to field have been very rich for us because we can see the complete procedure, we can repeat it, like a pilot in Mexico City.
By believing in yourself to make a difference.
Came from Africa to see how we do ourselves. They went out of the room, they called me and said, but these are very young people. But only young people can change the world. And अगर young लोगों को लगे कि हमारा देश बदल सकता है अपने काम से, तो जरूर बदल सकता है.
We are very well aware that it's a very, very large work that has to be done, and many, many people who are involved. So we wish everybody good luck, and we hope that when we all come together again with the report in hand, we have good news to report to the country.
By getting into the spirit of Asar.
నేను సమాజం పట్ల బాధ్యత వహించే సభ్యురాలిగా అసర్ 2013 వార్షిక విద్యా స్థితి నివేదికలో వాలంటీర్గా వ్యవహరించడానికి నిర్ణయించుకున్నాను.
இந்த முயற்சியின் முக்கிய நோக்கம் குடிமக்களையும் அரசாங்கங்களையும் நம் தேசத்தில் உள்ள அனைத்து குழந்தைகளின் கல்வி தரத்தை உறுதி செய்ய வைப்பதே.
पिछले 8 वर्षों में मेरे जैसे स्वयंसेवी दूर दराज के जिलों में यात्रा करके सुदूर गांवों में पहुंच पाए हैं.
We have gone from Kashmir to Kerala and from Gujarat to Tripura to conduct this survey and to collect information with the utmost sincerity. Today, along with 30,000 volunteers, I am going to be part of the largest citizen-led survey of India.
ମୁଁ ଶପଥ ନେଉଛି ମୋ ଆଗରୁ ଆସିଥିବା ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିମାନଙ୍କର କାମକୁ ନିଷ୍ଠାପର ଭାବରେ ଆଗେଇ ନେବି ଓ ମୋ ପରେ ଆସିବାକୁ ଥିବା ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଏକ उदाहरण हेबी जेउमाने की मोरो पद अनुसरण करिवे.
मी सर्वेक्षण तक्त्यात सत्य माहिती भरण्याचे महत्त्व जाणते आणि प्रतिज्ञा करते की मी हे काम पूर्ण प्रामाणिकपणे करेन.
जरिपर সময়ছোৱাত কোনো ধৰণৰ পৰিস্থিতিতে মই ভুল তথ্য সংগ্ৰহ নকৰো.
हम असर कार्य में डटल रहब.
আমি শপথ নিচ্ছি এই মহান কর্মকাণ্ডের মর্যাদা ও গুরুত্বকে সর্বসমক্ষে তুলে ধরার
र मेरो पूर्ण सहयोग यस असर भारत बनाउनमा दिन्छु.